Patrick's not smart. That's Sandy. Mommy.
Hi, Miley. What are you talking about over there? You watching SpongeBob?
With me?
With brother? Not gonna talk anymore? You camera shy? Say hi. Miley. Miley. Talk to me.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name? Who are you, little boy? No, I'm recording, so we can hear you. So say something.
Cheese.
Tell me what your name is.
Dominic.
How old are you?
4. Cheese.
Cheese. It's a camera. It's a camera. See? It's not like taking pictures. We'll put it on the TV, on the computer, and then you can watch it, so we can hear everything. Hi, I heard you. Say hello.
Patrick sure loves pickles.
Kelsey, you want to take Fatty out? He wants to get out. He's trying to get out. Can't really see him. Hey! Hi, monkey. Talk to her, Dominic. She's looking at you. Oh, she looked away. She's watching SpongeBob. Hi. Hi, Pumpkinhead. Kelsey, say hi to the baby. She's looking at you.
Hi, man. Hi, Miley. What's up, girlfriend?
Easy. Oh, Fatty's gonna come on the blanket.
What's that?
He's coming on the blanket. Look at him.
He's trying to keep his head up. He's like in the water.
Hi, Miley. I see you. Fatty's coming to snuggle with you. Oh, is that brother?
Bird body saver.
Hi. You're so pretty. Uh-oh, here comes Fatty. Hi. Are you so happy? Hi. You're a wiggle worm. Hi. Hi. Say something. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Pumpkin. We see Fatty?
Oh, small. That plankton is big.
Hi. Where's Fatty going?
I think he's going to
You're so pretty. What are you doing down there? Show me your crazy long tongue. Go like this. Now touch your nose. Oh. Where's Fatty going? He's gonna lie down and take a nap with you guys.